The Lord has come to us today, people. I was meant to be presenting you the weather, but instead it's doomsday. We're all The river Aire is filling with blood in Leeds. The Merseyside has got an army of frogs descending upon it. Hertfordshire is overrun by locusts. The River Thames is full of but that's normal. Up in Scotland, we've got a 7-year winter coming down. This was NRN News. That was meant to be the weather. And I'm Sunny Beaches.
Thank you for the weather, Sonny. I like your suit. Great tailor. Anyway, moving on to the last story of the evening. You've heard of a headless chicken. What about a bodiless human? Here at NRN News, we have an exclusive interview with the world's first bodiless man, Joe Strongbody. We reached out to him and his support team and met him for a quick interview down in Leeds.
Obviously, it was quite a shock. I was a bit drunk, driving down the wrong side of the motorway, and the next thing I know, I'm waking up to the doctors telling me the surgery was a success. The first thing I went to do was call Menna, but then I realised I didn't have any hands or arms to call her with.
Naturally, it was hard adapting our relationship to his condition, having no body and all. A woman has needs.
I think we make it work though, don't we? Yeah? Yeah.
Well, you know, as Joe's best friend, I thought it was only right to drop everything and become his full-time carer. I mean, I won't pretend to know how it works. I mean, he's a floating head. The doctor said a bunch of, I don't know, long words. They said, like, diagnose and stuff, but, like, I mean, he's a floating head.
Doctor said I have to keep this thing around my neck. Don't really know what it does, keep me alive or something. I think that's what they said. I was never very good at biology. Failed my GCSEs, but that's a whole other thing. It's a bit uncomfortable, really.
Well, naturally, you know, he's got no arms or hands to speak of, so I sort of have to do most things for him. You know, drinking, eating, you know, using the facilities.
Thanks, Billy.
That was disgusting. Smoking. I mean, I understand about the smoking, right? I can see it coming out. But feeding him? It's disgusting.
Since the accident, I've started wearing a lot of hats. I just love them. Got beanies, got caps, got flat caps, got snapbacks. I've even got big furry Russian ones. They're just so cool. It's a cool hat, isn't it? It's cool.
I mean, yeah, sometimes it can be a lot, but you know, I'm very respectful of him.
Billy, I want a cigarette. Billy.
You know, and I keep my cool.